Why you bite me? Ow! 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 Why? What did I do? Ow! Ow, that's my hand. That's my hand. You got my hand. Stop it. That's my hand. That's my hand. Ow. 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 A mean dog. A mean dog. Stop it. Get his nose. Get his nose. Scrap you. Yeah, where you at? Where you go? There you are. Ow! That hurt. You little shithead. You little shithead. Oh, yeah. Ow! Ow! Mean dog. Mean dog.
Hi, I'm Mr. Ed. How are you doing?
No barking. Wicked Witch will come down and get you. Wicked Witch will come down and get you. Go boy. Go boy. Ow! 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 Stop it! Stop it! The little lump. You got the little lump right there. If you bite me, I can't make pizza. I can't make pizza if you bite me. Yeah, I can't. That's what you want, isn't it? You want me to make pizza? Or you want your chair? You want your chair? Coffee. You want your chair? I give you a chair. Good boy. Good boy, I give you a chair. I get up. You shut off the thing. Kisses? Kisses? Nah, that'd be it too. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you for the kisses. You want me to cook pizza? You want the pizza? It'll be a minute. I'll give you a piece. I'll give you a piece of pizza. You don't want to look at the camera, do you? I love you. I do.